Hi everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel, and in this video we are going to talk about how you can accept donations on your YouTube, and it will be a complete quick tutorial for you guys. So without any further ado, let's get onto the main topic. So here you can see this is our YouTube channel, and just we want to add our donation link over here so people can easily donate our self easily. So here I will use Stripe as my payment process. So here I will click on payment link, just click over here, and from that was I will just click to the new one. Once I click over here, then I will make an donations number. So first of all I will go over here, product catalog, and then I'll create the product for me. So I will make a product that will be donations, and then it will be one of. So then I will click to the 5, it will be a good. Then I will click to the add product options, and then it will be add the donation over that place. Here actually you can see, then I will come to the payment links, and then I will click a new one, and from that place I will select the donation one, and here you can add emails also if you fail to add it. Once it's done, here I will create the link, and actually it already been done to create the link, and now anyone can donate me $5 easily whenever someone visit the link. So here once I did, then I will come back to this option, and here as you can see we have the link option. Share external links with your viewers, they will be visible on your channel profile and about page. So I will click over here, and here I will write donations, and actually you can see, and then I will provide the link over here, then click to the publish. Once I click it, then it will be publicly visible right now. So I will come back to our channel, and here you can see that this is the
Most companies do this.
channel we have. Just click over here. Once anyone click over that place, they can easily provide the donation over that place. Choose a currency from that place. Yeah, you will choose the dollar, or you can choose this one. So it is so much easy to go with this one. I hope you understand how easy the process was. If you love this video, then don't forget to subscribe our channel, and don't forget to hit the like button. Till then, have a good day. I will catch you on the next video with an interesting topic again.